Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, nearly 3 years back I uploaded a video on a beautiful question paper format using AMS LaTeX and provided a link for downloading the text file of that question paper format. Lots of people have downloaded that file and quite a few of them often request me through email to reformat the file as per their requirements. Hence I thought of uploading a revised version of that file which will certainly fulfill the requirements of many of my viewers. In this video, I have explained the changes made in the revised version. You may download the revised version of that text file from the link given in the description of this video. So let us start. So here, this is the text file. So document class is alright, nothing to be changed. Here I have written 2 packages as per my requirement, but if you need more packages you can include them after putting a comma. Just within this parenthesis you keep on including those packages. This part we need not do anything, no changes are required. And now here this is the part where just uncomment exactly one of the following. For example, here bold marks is this is uncommented, no percentage sign, and what it does, look at these markings, these marks are bold letter. Now if you change this percentage sign, put percentage sign on bold mark and SQBR marks, so it will become square bracketed mark. So if I compile it, then immediately you see a square bracket has come. Can you see it? So similarly, if you change it to this one, this will be a round bracket. So you can see this is round bracket. And finally, if you change it to last one, this will be bold as well as round bracket. So this will be this one. So whatever you like, you can take it. Okay, you put the percentage sign accordingly. Okay, change its position accordingly. Meaning is also written here. Okay, so everything is written here. Now this text size, I don't think you need to change anything here. Okay, and this one, this is question parts and subparts. How do they look like? For example, this is, for example, look at question number 2. This is part A and part B, part C, and then if you go a little down, then in question number G, this is subpart I, 2I, 3I, okay, 1, 2, 3 in Roman form. So all these things are there. Italic alphabetic part, then round bracketed. So this subpart is round bracketed. So there is a round bracket around subpart. You can try it. Suppose I put a percentage sign here and don't take it. Then let's see what happens. So you see that round bracket is gone. It has become I dot. Okay. So you can make changes accordingly, whatever you like. Okay. And then here also, if I put a percentage sign, let's see what happens. It becomes now with bracket it comes, but not italic, it is vertical. Okay, so you can see the changes. So if you do this, but interesting revision is here. All these things are there in my earlier version also. Maybe these meanings are not there, but main change is here. Some of my friends wanted that this question number should be bold. This particular question number 3, 4, you can see here, number 1, number 2, 1 dot, 2 dot, these are bold. So for that, this additional command is written here. Okay, this particular command. So if you put a percentage sign here and then compile it, then boldness will vanish. You see, boldness is gone. Okay, So some people say that if it is bold then it looks nice, so we can make it bold like this. Just put a percentage sign or remove a percentage sign. Another thing is all these things are there is no change. And then these marks, this is important. What is this? Not this one. Yeah, this is important. Okay, so all marks should be written in text mode without dollar sign. Okay, so without dollar sign all these marks should be written. This is the one. Yeah, what I mean is that now how do I write marks? Marks are written like this. So either after question within square bracket you write 8. See, this marks 8 plus 7. It is written as 8 plus 7. No dollar sign is there. Even if there is a mathematical command, for example, this times under normal circumstance it has to be written within dollar sign. But here you need not write it. Don't write it as inside dollar sign. Write it as it is. Okay, then you see it is 3 into 4 is printed here. Okay, that's because this dollar sign is taken care of in this part. Okay, in this part you will see all the dollar signs have been taken care of. See, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign. So it is already there, so you need not write dollar sign here. Okay, so this is one thing. And where is it? Yeah. Now some people ask me if there is no part. In earlier version every question has a part, has at least 2-3 parts. So some of you have asked if there is no part, then how to write the question. So it has to be written like this. Okay, it has to be written just after question. Write the mark within square bracket 8 plus 7. So here you can see 8 plus 7 is printed. Okay, and for parts it is as usual. Okay, so in this first question there is no part. Marking is written just like this, and drop points. Other things are all right. Drop points and all are there. Okay, and other thing is that some of my friends also ask me if the last item is a displayed item, then how to write the marks. Because in that paper you will see in that format this 9 goes down. Okay, this mark goes down. Okay, let me use that bold thing. Okay, I put a percentage sign here and remove that percentage sign from here, so that bracket is gone, only marks are visible. Okay, fine. So if this, here you see the last item is displayed item, and 9 is in the same line as this item. Okay, you can see it is in the same line. Okay, it is in the same line. Okay, this display item is in the same line, you can see. So how it is to be written? We go to the source. Okay, so here this is that additional command. That earlier we wrote drop points just like this, but here for a change you have to write drop points like this. Okay, so it is a displayed item, so this command means displayed item, and this drop point has to be written within this text star, then par box 1 point, this, then it will come, and it has to be written within the display. Okay, slash square bracket and this slash square bracket, and it is written within that. Okay, so in that case it will come exactly here. And then so this is how I have also written here. This is how mark should be typed for questions ending with a displayed item. Also look at the following examples. Okay, so the following examples, these are not actually questions, just for illustration I have written some of them. So you can see, for example, if the displayed item is in the form of an equation, in the form of a starred equation. So even then you have to write it like this only, text star power box like that. And then this illustration, you see these three are similar, but there is a small difference. Here in this case the marking is along the fourth line. In fact, it is along the along that particular line here where I have written this text star. So here I have written text star along the fourth line, so it has come exactly here. Whereas in this case earlier I used align star, now I am using array, but array has to be written within display. Okay, this square bracket mathematical mode is to be written, displayed mathematical mode. Here mathematical, this displayed is not there, so it has come here. Here it is there. So this text star has to be written after AND array, and here it is written before AND align, because there is no after AND align. If you write, it will not work, it will give error. So here it is after AND array, but before closing the display bracket. Okay, so text star. So what it does, it comes right in the middle. So it is perfectly in the middle. Okay, if there are 4 equations, perfectly in the middle. If there are 3 equations, it will come exactly along the second equation. Okay, so if there are fourth equation, so it is 2.5. Okay, 2 equations, and then middle of second and third it has come. And then last one is another one. This is equation star with a split command, split environment. So here also after split you have to write text star and this drop point. Here also display command is not there. Equation star already is in mathematical mode. So before ending equation star, you have to write this one. So it will come exactly. This is 3 times 4. So it is here. So it has come in the center. Okay, but there is a small difference here. It is here, of course, on the last line. Difference is pretty clear. Now D and E, the difference is actually in the alignment of the first thing, first elements. You see here along the first element it is aligned, whereas it is aligned only along the equation symbol. Here there are 2 types of alignments. This one, okay, one is in the equation, and then here this one is also aligned nicely. This way it is extended. But this one is, this is aligned, this is everything is aligned, but this way it is aligned, aligned like this. Okay, so anyway, for me this is the best choice, but you may like the other things also. I have written all 3. Whatever you like, you can adopt. And if your last displayed item is a matrix of this form, so even then you can write it has to be in the displayed thing only. So it is same thing only, just write text star like this. So you see this 4 is exactly in the middle. Okay, it looks nice. So these are some of the changes I have written. So these are not questions, you can delete it afterwards, but just for illustration I have written this thing, whatever you require. And from other questions are as it is, as earlier. If you can use them as it is. And this is one thing. And marking, of course I told you that how to write the marking, but without $sign. Don't write any $sign here. And here if question has no parts or subparts, it has to be written just like this. So question number 1 is of that pattern. So one question I have written this pattern. Okay, and like that. So this is all about the revised version. So again, you can download this revised version from the link given in the description of this video, and hope it will fulfill your requirements. In case you want something more, please write to me either in the comment box or write to me through email. I'll try to help you out. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.